Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is DJ RJ of the MSFM 105.3, a broadcast journalist. I'm also, of course, a media practitioner here in Samar. And at the same time, I'm also a endurance rider. And I got to record this video kasi I just want to share a little testimony about what I have experienced with Tau Elevate and especially their products, guys, na mangosteen food supplement and that I have taken during my last endurance. And also I also have to say something about the coffee that they have, the 15-in-1 premium coffee, Grace Coffee. All right, let's start with the mangosteen. I've got to meet the product weeks ago, and sabi ko nga kay Marisa Dacanay, who introduced me the product, that try ko to kasi I am a 16-timer endurance rider. I joined 16 endurance na more or less lowest is 500 kilometers in 5 hours. And I also joined 1,200 kilometers and more than 1,300 in 19 hours. And yung experience ko is that after my endurance, in my previous endurance, talagang pagod po ako kahit may mga reseta ko galing sa family doctor namin na ito yung i-take mo, mga synthetic drugs and mga vitamins, and at the same time food, not yung food na kinakain ko before I do the endurance. A week before I conditioned myself, but this time yung trinay ko lang yung mangosteen food supplement ng Tau Elevate mangosteen food supplement. I find it so effective, and the fact that I got top 29 sa last ko na endurance in Surigao in Mindanao, parang bitin yung rides ko, and I was so conditioned enough na at least 3 days before ng endurance, mangosteen lang food supplement yung tinake ko at maybe twice a day, and may day na tatlo yung tinake ko. And then during the event na mismo, I also took 2 tablets of mangosteen food supplement, of course with matching coffee, yung 15-in-1 premium coffee with the Grace Coffee of Tau Elevate. This is Grace Coffee over here. Okay, and then yun, nagtaka yung mga kasama ko. From Surigao City, umuwi pa ako ng Samar diretso. I drove 500 kilometers during the event, and I drove another 400 kilometers from Mindanao going to our house in Catbalogan City. At least more or less 400 kilometers plus, more or less 400 kilometers ang tinakbo ko pa. And even pagdating ko sa bahay, diretso ako opisina, nag-live ako agad. And yun lang, wala akong ibang tinake na meds. Hindi na nga ako nag-take ng mga muscle pain. Usually I take muscle pain after the event. Pero yung mga kasama ko naiwan sa Mindanao, sa Surigao, and then it took them almost more than a day to rest. Pero ako, dire-dire sabi nila, ikaw lang yung sakalam. May nag-number 8 sa amin, sa taga San Jorge Spiders. Number 8 siya. And then, sabi ko, congrats boss, talagang number 8, ang lakas mo magpatakbo. Sabi niya, ikaw yung sakalam. Kasi, after the event, umuwi ka pa eh. And that's the reason why, naggumawa ako ng video na to for the rest of the riders also to experience what I have experienced sa Tau Elevate company, yung mangosteen at ang mangosteen food supplement. Take nyo, kasi maganda to. Try nyo lang, baka hiyang kayo sa Ngayon, before ako umalis ng bahay, nag food supplement ako, 2 food supplement ng mangosteen. Of course, through the company Tao Elevate, which means the way to progress, ba yun? O the way to progress, and hindi lang siguro magpo-progress ka sa income mo, pero sa health mo. Sa health mo, and then the endurance, the sustainability in driving. And that's this one, I have experienced it. Very nice. Of course, may coffee ako ha. May coffee ako tinitake na muna, and then pinapartner ko yung mangosteen food supplement ng Tao Elevate. Marisa Dacanay, thank you so much, sir. Sir Juanito de los Santos, thank you very, very much, of course, for introducing this products kay DJ RJ. Again, this is DJ RJ saying, mangosteen food supplement, and also the Grace Premium 15-in-1 coffee lang ang Sakalam. Uy, may ano pa sila. Yung misis ko ngayon nagtitake ng Sip to Fit. Yung slimming coffee nila, yun yung tinitake. Tingnan natin kung maging sexy yung asawa ko. Pero sexy naman siya. Mas si sexy pa siguro by taking Sip to Fit slimming coffee. From San Juanico Braids here, Summerside, this is DJ RJ saying, Tao Elevate lang sa Kalam with their products, mangosteen food supplement, and of course, yung Grace Coffee 15-in-1 premium coffee, and Sip to Fit slimming coffee. Good day. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much.